What's up, guys? We just arrived in Ozona, Texas. This is our first time here, getting ready to celebrate the Persevering students here at Ozona Elementary School. I'm super excited about it. It's very, very early, but you know what? This is celebration 1 of 2 today, and we're about to get the party started. You guys stay tuned.
Good morning. We flying high in education with soaring. Mic check. Hey.
So what's up, guys? We're here inside of Ozona Elementary School. I'm excited to celebrate the Lions on today. The C.A.P.S tour continues. The celebration continues, and our mission is to encourage, empower, and inspire. And that's exactly what we get the honor to do this morning for the Ozona Elementary Lions. You guys stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're celebrating about 350 students on today. So you guys stay tuned. The celebration continues.
Let's go.
Rockin', we going in, and everybody steady saying good morning, good morning, good morning. We flying high in education, we're soaring, and every day we celebrating, exploring. All the knowledge that we gain is storing, can't ignore it. So good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. This is the power of it. Don't you settle for less. If you just give your best, then you will have success. You got the most. Now let's see you. This is the place. You got the most. This is the place. You got the moves. Create the space.
Dream big, guys.
It's a mantra, a movement. It's a message, a music. Embody the growth mindset. Before the power to find it. It's hard working education. It starts first with dedication. I believe in myself, saying, you can achieve any step, saying, yes you can, yes you will. You guys give yourself a big round of applause. You guys are awesome.